Hey everyone, welcome back to another session of Shell Scripting. In this session, we'll see how to write a simple base script that checks the health of your Linux system. This script will display your disk space, memory usage, CPU load, and running process, all with colorful output and saved report. So if you execute this script and if I play this video, so here when I execute this script, it will show you the system health check report, checking disk space, memory uses, and if there is low memory, it will show in red color. Next, it will show you the CPU load and uptime, and at last, it will show you health check complete. So for that, the script will see how we can write the script, and I will script line by line how it's working. So if we go to the our Linux server, now if you do the cat, so I've already written the script cat system underscore health dot sh. So this is the script. I will explain line by line how it's working. So if we scroll up from the top, I will explain. So here you can see the first line, hash not slash bin slash bash. So basically this is called cbang line. So this tells the system to use the bash shell to run the script. It's like the opening line of the script that informs the computer how to interpret the code. And if you see the next line after it, color of codes, this one. So what is this color code? So these are the color code. You will use them to make the output colorful. So warning in red, success message in green, progress indicator. As I run, you saw that its progress indicator was coming. So it's in yellow and so it makes the terminal output easy to understand. Next line, you can see log file with date time. So here this line creates a log file with current date and time and its name. So this way, every time when you run the script, you get a new script report. So this log file. Next, we'll understand the threshold. So what is this threshold? So these are the limits. If disk space goes above 80% or free memory goes below 500 MB, the script will give the warning. And after that, you can see I use a log function. So this function prints the message with color on the screen and save the plain text to the log file. So the first argument is the color. Here you can see $1 is equal to color. And the second is the message. $2 is message. Next to it, you can see progress function. This line I am talking about. To display progress color indicator. So this creates a simple animation that shows dot appearing while the check is happening. It makes the script looks more interactive. Next, you can see this line $cyan log system health check report, and after that I provide $date. So this print a nice clear heading of the report with current date and time. Next line this space uses. So here you can see progress checking this space. So first it will show a progress message, then it's run the df this command df -h to display the disk space using like H here stand for human readable format and save the output to the log file. Here you can see $log file. Next, you can see the disk space warning. So scroll down. So this extract the disk usage percentage from the root partition. Here you can see this one slash. So if it is over 80%, it show a red warning message. And here I use the if and then condition. So if disk uses, and here you can see the conditional operator dash GE, like greater than disk threshold, it will show red, like it will show a red warning. Next, memory usage. So this checks the memory usage in megabyte and display it. Here you can see, here also I am using the if and then condition. If free memory is less than memory threshold that we have said earlier. So it will show the same like low available memory in red flag. Next, if we scroll down and you can see CPU load and uptime. Here this line I am talking progress checking CPU load and uptime. So this show how long the system has been running and gives CPU load information. Now here you can see next line progress count running process. So it lists all process and counts how many programs are currently active. This line, and at the last you have observed this green log green health check complete. So finally it's print a green message saying the health check is complete. So I will run it once again. So before running this script, you have to make it executable. Like we make the script executable so the computer can run it as a program. And after that, for that you can give the command chmod plus x and give the file name system underscore health dot sh. I think there is spelling mistake. So I have already executed this. System HEALTH. Okay. Chmod plus x system underscore health 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 dot sh. Now the next task is to we have to run this script. So for this we will run the command as slash system underscore health 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 dot sh. No, again spelling mistake. Yes. So here you can see it start system will check report and it's showing the current time for 4:37 p.m. Now it's showing checking this space uses, and here you can observe I am getting the warning low available memory. It's 90 MB remaining. Now it's showing the CPU load and uptime and counting the running process. I have total 188 the running process right now, and health check is complete. And so you can enhance this script also, like if you want to do, like you can add cron job, and also you can add email notification. So if memory you just get above the threshold which we have set, so you can use set the memory like email notification. So in the next video we'll see more script for like how we can do backup a script, and after that in the next video we'll write a script regarding how to we'll automate the git, like we'll write total git script to how we automate this task using that script. So we'll see another two projects regarding shell scripting. So thank you from this video. I will see you in the next video.